Good morning, everybody, and hopefully welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name's Nyla, and today I'm showing you a beautiful 1978 Toyota Land Cruiser. This is an FJ40 series. Absolutely stunning in like a dark army green. It is manual transmission and has lots of restorations and customizations done, which you can find at the bottom of this video in the description portion. But it is so well done, fully functional. It's got the winch on the front, beautiful tires, just in awesome condition. You got the spare on the back. Show you the interior here. Nice and rugged, but clean and simple. Really cool little horn. So freaking cool. Show you the back here. It's got two bench seats in the back. Here is how you unhook the tire. Kind of leave that down, swing it out. Voila. How cool. These fold up real easy, so you can have that whole back space for your storage if you need. But just so stinking cool. Such a fun car to drive. Truck, Jeep, Toyota Land Cruiser. These are one of my favorites. Got the roll cage in there. Everything you need. So I'm gonna follow it up. I'm gonna get that engine started. Sorry for the glare. Get that engine cranked. We'll take a look at the engine bay. Then we'll take her for a ride down the road, and I'll put her up on the lift so we can take a look underneath. Stay tuned. Get her a little warmed up. We're taking the 78 FJ40 down for a ride here. Got Kevin behind the wheel. Standard transmission, like I had said. Got the 4-wheel drive. Just a very fun car to drive. Got the cool little horn. I did notice there's the little vents there that you can open, which are pretty cool. How fun is that? How does it feel?
Feels great.
Good.
It's just real easy.
Okay.
Got that nice steering in it.
Awesome. We like to just take it for a road. We're going to pull over here. We'll swing it around. We'll get it back on the hoist. Take a look at the underneath. But all in all, very solid truck. All right, stay tuned.